If you're tired of watching business ideas collapse faster than your morning motivation, stick around. I'm about to show you 6 proven online businesses with failure rates under 20%, the kind that actually make money and last. Before we start, click the link in the description to discover how you can make a full-time income from home using these same business models. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're tired of hearing 90% of startups crash, this is your reality check. I'm unpacking 6 online ventures with failure rates under 20%, backed by real data. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes. They're steady, scalable setups you can launch part-time. We're talking proven paths like local lead generation and niche content sites. I'll walk you through each with exact startup steps and the one hurdle to watch. Let's get into it. Number 6. Local lead generation sites. You build simple websites ranking for searches like Emergency Plumber Boise and rent the leads to local businesses. How to start. Use Google Keyword Planner to find service keywords in specific cities with 500 to 2,000 monthly searches. Buy a matching domain on Namecheap and host it on SiteGround. Install WordPress with the free Elementor plugin to build a simple 5-page site. Add a contact form using Google Forms or WP Forms. The pay. Once the site ranks and generates calls, you rent it to a local business owner for $600 to $2,200 per month. Number 5. Niche affiliate content sites. Create a blog around underserved topics like tools for left-handed woodworkers and earn commissions. How to start. Pick a specific hobby niche. Register your domain and set up hosting, like Bluehost or Hostinger. Write 10-20 pillar posts, solving specific problems found via Ahrefs' free keyword tools. Sign up for Amazon Associates or ClickBank to get your affiliate links and insert them into your articles. The pay. You earn 10 to 50% commission per sale, which compounds as traffic grows. Number 4. Print on demand. Merch stores. Design tees, mugs, or posters for specific audiences and sell them with zero inventory. How to start. Sign up for a free trial on Shopify or create an Etsy account. Use Canva to create text-based designs. Export them as transparent PNGs. Connect a fulfillment partner like Printful or Printify to your store. They handle printing and shipping automatically when an order comes in. The pay. You keep the difference between the sale price and the printing cost, usually $5 to $12 per item. Number 3. Digital product bundles on Etsy. Package planners, checklists, or templates and sell them for 100% profit after creation. How to start. Use Canva to design a useful digital asset like a meal planner or budget spreadsheet. Go to Etsy.com and click Sell on Etsy. Create a listing, costs $0.20, and upload your file as a digital product. This allows customers to download it instantly after purchase without you doing anything. The pay. Products typically sell for $10 to $50 with high profit margins since there is no shipping or inventory. Number 2. Online course memberships. Teach a skill you know with evergreen videos and charge a monthly fee. How to start. Outline a curriculum for a specific skill, home repairs for seniors. Record simple lessons on your smartphone or webcam. Sign up for Teachable or Thinkific. Both have free starter plans. Upload your videos, set your pricing, and create a sales page. The pay. You charge a monthly subscription, $29.99, building recurring revenue. Number 1. SaaS Micro Tools. Build simple web apps, solving one specific pain point, like a local SEO rank tracker. How to start. Identify a small B2B problem. Use a no-code builder like Bubble.io or Softar to build the interface visually. You can integrate the OpenAI API to add smart features without deep coding knowledge. Set up payments via Stripe and launch your tool on Product Hunt to get initial users. The pay. You charge a monthly subscription, $9.49, which offers high stability and exponential growth potential. There you have it. 6 online businesses beating the odds with failure rates most startups only dream of. Before you go, click the link in the description to learn exactly how you can turn these business models into a full-time income from home. Your resilient venture starts now.